Hello everyone, welcome to Spanish from Zero. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the colors and how to use them. So let's start. Los colores. Los colores. Colores. The colors. So let's start. Amarillo. 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 Yellow. Rosa. 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 Pink. And there is another way to say pink. Rosado. Rosado. Morado. 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 Purple. Azul. 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 Blue. Naranja. 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 Orange. And there is anaranjado. Anaranjado. It's another way to say orange. Verde. 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 Green. Blanco. 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 White. Gris. 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 Gray. Rojo. 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 Red. Negro. 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 Black. Now, these are the colors that they have masculine and feminine. Amarillo, amarilla. Blanco, blanca. Rojo, roja. Negro, negra. Now, we have oro, gold. Pay attention to here. And we have dorado, dorado. Dorado, masculine, dorada. Dorada, dorada. Golden. Marrón, marrón. And there is another way to say it, café. Café, the color brown. And we saw purple, morado, morado. And there is another way to say it, púrpura, púrpura. And lila, lila. And here, plata, 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 silver. It's the same thing as dorado, plateado, plateado, plateado. The masculine, plateada, plateada, plateada. The silver color. How to use the golden and the silver color in a sentence. Dorado, dorada, plateado, plateada. So this is the golden color and this is the silver color. And we say, for example, esta es una camisa dorada. ¿Sí? Una camisa, we take dorada. This is a golden shirt. We don't say esta una camisa oro. We don't use oro. Oro is the name of the material, like oro, gold. Plata, silver, the silver, the gold. But golden is the color, and here plateado, the silver color. So here, esta es una camisa plateada. Una camisa plateada. I did the same example. This is a silver shirt. So plateada is the color, but plata here is the material. Dorado, dorada is the color. Oro is the material. Now we have claro, light, bright. For example, es muy claro. It's very bright, light. We're talking about color here. Es muy claro. Oscuro. Let me repeat. Claro, claro, claro. Now, oscuro, 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 dark. Es un poco oscuro. It's a little bit dark. And we have the strong color, fuerte, 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 strong. Me gusta el color fuerte. I like, me gusta. The strong color, el color fuerte. That was it for today. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and to share the video with your friends and family and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.